Ever wondered how to turn your Excel sheet into a powerful map with meaningful geographic insights? Let's see how you can do this using Excel attributes in MAPOG, a user-friendly platform that brings your data to life. Start by heading over to story.mapog.com, click Create New Map and give your project a proper title and description, image optionally. Next, go to Process Data and under Add Upload Data, choose your GIS data. Filter it down by country and state, and load the boundary layer onto your map. Now comes the magic. Under Process Data, select Excel Attributes. Select the target layer, State Boundaries. Upload your Excel sheet that carries population data. Choose matching fields from both Excel and GIS data. You can either update the existing layer or save as new. Also select the joining operation. Lastly, hit Submit. As you can see in New Layer, your population data is attached to your state boundary file. Edit the attributes, make the data you want to visualize in number format. Let's style it. Head to Style Layer, pick Quantity Style, and select the attribute. Like female population. Pick your color scheme, break it into parts, and adjust opacity. Once done, hit Preview and Share. Make the map private or public, embed it on a blog, or invite others as viewers, editors, or collaborators. From urban planning to public health, education, retail, or agriculture, merging Excel with maps is a game changer. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.